Assalamu alaikum, I'm Engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. To invoke the rectangle command, you can either click on this icon in the draw panel or you can type the command rectangle or rectang. Press enter. So AutoCAD is asking you to specify the first corner point. You can either type the coordinates or you can click on the screen. So let's click here on the screen. Once you click on the screen, AutoCAD asks you to specify the other corner point. Again, you can click on the screen or you can type the coordinates. So to invoke the rectangle command, you can use the command rectangle or you can use rectang or you can use REC. These three commands can be used to invoke the rectangle command. AutoCAD takes this point as the first corner point and it takes this point as the second corner point. So you can specify the first coordinate by either clicking on the required point on screen or you can enter the coordinates. Similarly, for point number 2, you can either click on the screen or you can enter the coordinates. And these coordinates that you enter can be in the form of absolute Cartesian, relative Cartesian, absolute polar or relative polar. So you're basically defining the first and the second point of the diagonal of the rectangle. Let's invoke the rectangle command again. Let's specify the first point and explore some other options that are available. You have an option of specifying the area, you have the option of specifying the dimensions, and you have the option of specifying the rotation. Let's start with the dimensions. So you can either click the dimension here in the command line or you can press the down key on the keyboard and select the dimensions from here. So AutoCAD is asking you to specify the length. So let's specify the length as 10. And now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the width. Let's specify the width as 15. Press enter. Once you press enter, you'll see that you are still in the rectangle command. Although AutoCAD has fixed the length and the width of the rectangle, it is still asking you to specify the other corner point. Because you can draw the rectangle in any of these 4 directions using the same length and width. So you have specified the length and width, but you have to specify in which direction you want your rectangle to be. So move your cursor in the direction in which you want your rectangle to be made and click on this. So your rectangle is ready. AutoCAD calls this dimension as the length of the rectangle and this direction as the width of the rectangle. Let's explore some other options that are available. Invoke the rectangle command, specify the first corner point, and let's go to these options again. This time let's select the area. AutoCAD is asking you to enter the area of the rectangle. Let's say we want the area of the rectangle to be 60. Press enter. Now it's asking you to specify either length or the width of the rectangle. So you have to specify at least one more property of the rectangle, either length or the width. So let's specify the length. Let's take the length as 6. Press enter. You have got a rectangle having an area of 60 units square with 6 units as the length and 10 units as the width. Let's say you want a rectangle having an area equal to 60. Once you specify the area in AutoCAD, it asks you to specify the length or the width. You have to specify either length or you have to specify width. So we specified length as 6 and AutoCAD calculated the width as 10 units. So here you have the length of the rectangle as 6 units and you have the width of the rectangle as 10 units and the area of the rectangle is 60 units square. Let's go to the rectangle command again. After specifying the first point, let's select the third option available, that is of rotation. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the angle of rotation. By default, AutoCAD takes angle in the anti-clockwise direction. So you can specify the angle in the anti-clockwise direction. I want to specify the angle as, let's say, 45. Type 45 and press enter. Now AutoCAD has fixed the inclination of the rectangle and it's asking you to specify the other corner point. Again, you can either specify the other corner point or you can use the area option or you can use the dimensions option. So I'm simply going to click on the screen and your rectangle is ready. Once you have set the inclination, whenever you invoke the rectangle command, it will give the rectangle having the specified rotation. If you want your rectangle to be horizontal again, you have to go to the rotation and specify the angle as 0 Press enter and you'll see that your rectangle has become horizontal again.